Today we are making a fun Valentine themed table runner. So to make this table runner, you're going to need 3 quilt blocks. So these are 12.5 inches right now. Once they're sewn in, they will be 12 inches. But we have 2 of the striped heart quilt block and then 1 of this heart with the horizontal stripes. So I do have tutorials on how to make those. Go back and watch those videos if you'd like. But so you'll need those 3 quilt blocks. Then you'll need, for our sashing binding pieces, we are going to need some strips of fabric. So these are 1.5 by 12.5, and you'll need 10 of them. And then you'll also need some cornerstone pieces. These are 1.5 by 1.5, and you'll need 8 of those. So to get started, we're going to take our blocks here, and we're just going to place one of our strips on either side. Place it right sides together, and we will stitch it. So we'll just go over to the sewing machine and stitch these pieces onto our quilt blocks. All right, so we have the pieces sewn on, and we're just going to press them flat here. Then we'll just repeat that process for the remaining blocks. Now that we have the border strips on the top and bottom of each quilt block, it's time to make our sashing strips. So we'll just take a long strip here, and we'll take 2 of our cornerstone squares, and we will place 1 on each end. Make sure they're right sides together, and then we will just stitch 1/4 of an inch on each end. We've got our sashing strip sewn with the cornerstone blocks on the edge. Now we're just going to give these a press. Now we want to press towards the red fabric. This will allow our seams to nest when we assemble the table runner. So we'll just do this. I'll go ahead and sew the remaining sashing strips with the cornerstones and get them pressed as well. Now that we have the borders on the top and bottom of our quilt blocks and we have our sashing strips created, let's assemble the table runner. So we'll just begin by arranging the quilt blocks in the order that we desire. Now all of this will not fit in the camera, so I will just kind of slide it down and show you this half. You won't be able to see the full thing, but you'll get the idea. So we'll just take one of our sashing strips, we'll place it on one end. Then we'll place one in between the blocks, and then we will also place one on the far end. Next we will take our sashing, we'll turn it right sides together on the block. We'll take this over to the sewing machine and stitch 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, and we will make sure that we are nesting the seams as we go. Okay, so I have that first sashing strip sewn on. We will just press open the unit. I'm just pressing towards the red fabric. Next we will just we'll place it in the correct orientation, just so we keep everything straight, and we will just take our next sashing strip and we will sew it to the other side of the block. Okay, so we've got the sashing on both sides of our block. So next we'll grab our next block, our center block. We'll place it right sides together and we will stitch along here. And then we will just continue the process, adding the sashing, the remaining block, and the last sashing. That's how you assemble the Valentine's table runner. Stay tuned, we'll be doing a video on quilting the table runner, and then we'll do another video on binding. Thanks for watching.